Well, Tulip Time allows us the opportunity to both celebrate and kind of commemorate the historical aspects of this community, founded largely by Dutch immigrants, though not exclusively. But also, I think it's an opportunity for us to demonstrate a bit of the interest that we have in horticulture and in flowers and in all things natural.
We have people come from all 50 states and at least 30 countries. I just met a couple who were vacationing here from Argentina, and they said they looked on the internet and found out about the festival, and here they are. So they just come. People are interested in finding out about their roots and where they've come from and their family tree. So this is an opportunity for people to come and experience what it might have been like to live in the Netherlands 100 years ago.
It's a family thing. It's been handed down in my family, and I should mention that my family name is Klompmaker, which means wooden shoemaker.
We've been doing this since about 1997.
We have Dutch breads and things over here, and herring. And the next one they have pea soup and leek soup and pig in the blanket.
Well, we have to get pigs in a blanket.
My favorite part of the festival is the parades. I grew up in marching band and marched in a lot of parades when I was in high school, and I still just love the pace of the parades and seeing all the kids and the bands and the floats. It's just, that to me is awesome. We have a great community. It's very clean, it's friendly. Everyone walking up and down the street will say hello to you, and the tulips are spectacular, and you can see a lot about our culture and the Dutch heritage.